This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Wrobel. The lovely DeAngelo Veranda condominium floor plan offers over 1,300 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1-car garage, front screened-in porch and screened-in lanai. Enjoy the sunset views from your balcony overlooking 2 lakes and golf course. Lakewood National offers 36-hole golf course, driving range, resort-style pool and spa, fitness, dining, pickleball, and tennis. The floor plan is perfect for entertaining your guests. Lakewood National is a bundled golf community. For more information, review the details below.